Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson of the jQuery Basics course of Rails Karate. Before start, go to railskarate.com where you will find the transcript of this video. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and at Bastion Velandia. We are also at Rails Karate. Follow us on Facebook and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more of us. Let's start. This time we're going to solve the J challenge of the previous lesson. It consists of add the image to the overlay. If you could achieve it, congratulations. But if you didn't, don't worry, we're just learning. So in this lesson, we're going to show you how we did it. So first of all, what I'm going to do right now is to start. And the first thing I want to do is create a new jQuery object for the image. So this jQuery object is going to have the HTML of the image. It's going to be img. This is the default tag for images in HTML. So I will give it the image tag. After I have this jQuery object, the next thing I want to do is to append the image to the overlay. So I'm going to say overlay.append, and then we're going to append the image. Okay, great. So the image in this part of the program, the overlay is not yet visible, but it doesn't mean that we can't interact with it. So we can add the image even when it is hidden. Okay, so once we have the overlay with the image, the next thing we need to do is to add the href attribute. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to add the href attribute. It is let me see. Once we have here, what I'm gonna do first is show the overlay at the end. Okay, show the overlay at the end. We get here the URL of the image because we are getting the href attribute of the clicked link, and then we want to add the source of the image for load the clicked image. So how do we add a new attribute to an HTML tag? So if we go to the API, we can find here in attributes that we have this attr again. We used forget the value of an attribute, but if we go down, you will find that it can also be used for add a new attribute. So we can add the name of the attribute and its value. So we can say the following. Let's say image, and we can say .attr, and the name of the attribute is going to be src. That is the, if you check here, the src is the source of the image, the path. Okay, great. So we are adding here the src attribute, and its value is going to be the URL. Okay, so we have image, great, attr, src, and we are adding the URL of the clicked image. Great, and then we can show the overlay. Now let's see, when we run this, I'm gonna click here, overlay.html preview, and let's see what happened. Okay, let me check. Don't forget to make this command run. I forgot to make it run. The compiler of the CoffeeScript. So we have here -o js cw cf. Okay, all right. So it should be start working right now. Command S. Right. So let's see if it works at the moment. We should be, okay, so here the overlay, it's hidden, and here's the img tag of the image. So if we click an image, you can see that once we click the image, the img has the src attribute and the URL to the with the path to the image. Great, isn't it? So let's try to reload again. And if we click one of these images, you can see here's the overlay and here's the image, the full size image. It is right now showing at the corner. So let's add some CSS for make it look better. So here I'm going to say text align center, and we are going to create a new rule called, oh sorry, here overlay, and this rule will apply to the images, all the images in the overlay. It's going to be only one image. Great. Here I'm going to say, let's say margin top, make this margin top 10% of the page. Let's save and see what happens. And as you can see, okay, 10% is too much. Make it vacant 2% of the page. Let's see. Oh, all right. Yes, it's much better. So here you have the full size image, and it is now centered and has some smooth margin at the top. And this is how our overlay should work. However, there is still a problem. Once we click one of the images, you can see that we can get out of the overlay. We can close it. So if we have to reload the page if we want to click another image. So this is a problem that we have to fix. The idea, if you check our plan here in the copy file, we say that when overlay is clicked, hide the overlay. Okay, so with one click here or wherever, the idea is to close the overlay if we click it. If we click it and close the overlay, then we should be able to select another image and see it. Okay, so that's the J challenge. If you go here to the article, the J challenge says that you have to get the click event once the overlay is opened and close it if the user, if the user clicks after the overlay is opened, then close the overlay. That will be the J challenge. If you accept the challenge, don't forget to drop us a line on Twitter with the J challenge hashtag, and the next lesson will solve everything of the J challenge, and we will add more features to this overlay like a subtitle or a caption here below the image, and many more features. So see you the next lesson, and as always, bye bye.